sewage pumping station over here that's so pretty. It's a beautiful building. People don't build sewage pumping stations that pretty anymore. We made it!
We made it! Just barely caught the plane. But we're here.
On the plane.
It's fine. We'll see you in
2 days? 1 day?
Yeah.
1 day.
1 day.
It's a beautiful building. People don't build sewage pumping stations that pretty anymore. Hey, we found it! Miss Shirley's!
Took a bit of driving, but we got here.
Oh my gosh, did it take driving. But it's gonna be worth it.
Can't wait.
You're gonna try grits.
I don't know about that. We'll see.
You're gonna love it.
Hey folks.
Hi. So we are at Miss Shirley's Cafe. Miss Shirley's Cafe in Baltimore, Maryland. This place has been named Maryland's favorite restaurant. It's also been featured on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. And we are about to order our breakfast for the morning. Well, let's say it's brunch because we got in kind of late.
Just a little bit late, yeah.
We did miss our flight. We had to purchase another flight out. I had a hankering for some fresh crab. I haven't had that since I lived in Georgia. Yeah. And this menu looks amazing.
Yep. I'm still trying to decide. I'm having a hard time.
There's a lot of good stuff on here, yeah?
Very much so, yes.
I'm looking at the crab cake with fried green tomatoes.
I'll try some of yours.
Have some grits. Some southern style grits.
I've never had southern style, so I might do that.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'm looking at the crab cake with fried green tomatoes, and he's gonna try some grits for the first time.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
There it is. The poached. The eggs Benedict on crab cakes with fried green. Look at the size of those fried green tomatoes. That's amazing. And I got the Shirley's Crush with orange vodka, triple sec, a splash of club soda, squeezed fresh orange juice with pulp, garnished with an orange wheel and a strawberry slice with mint and sugar rim. And Craig got the grits on the fried green tomatoes with shrimp. It looks like those grits have bacon in them.
Yes, they do. And blackened shrimp.
Blackened shrimp.
Blackened
He's
shrimp.
gonna try grits for the first time.
Very first time.
All right. Let's see his reaction. Alaskan boy meets grits.
It'll be a new series.
You like them?
Very good.
I would say those are some very good looking grits. That's a thumbs up then, yeah? Yeah, all right. They were the butteriest, creamiest, just perfect consistency grits, and with just right saltiness, just the right amount of sweetness, and they had little bits of bacon in them. And then you've got fried green tomatoes too. Had you ever had fried green tomatoes before?
This is the first time I'd ever had fried green tomatoes.
I'm gonna have to make fried green tomatoes now.
Nice and crunchy, great flavor. I never thought that tomatoes would taste this good.
We just got him eating fried pickles a few years ago, and he does not like pickles. So
I definitely am changing my mind about this stuff.
Yeah, so we're slowly converting him to eating things that he never imagined he would be eating.
Yep.
So yeah. Road trip.
Excellent! Okay, let's hit that car.
Why'd you almost hit that car?
Because he was parked and I didn't see him until the last second.
So what are you looking forward to most at the Homesteaders of America conference?
I am nervous as all get out right now.
What are you nervous about? That Doug's gonna chase you down the hill?
Stay in the middle 2 lanes.
Ducks.
Doug? Doug from Doug and
Doug
Stacy?
and Stacy, probably. No, just seeing everyone again and seeing if they'll remember us. This is only our second conference we've been to.
I think some people will remember us and some of us will be like, who the heck are you? I don't know who you are.
Yeah. No, it'll be good. It'll be good.
Yeah.
Definitely looking forward to the digital media that Jason's putting on from Southland.
We're going to come back with a lot of food for thought. And that's a good thing. It's a good thing.
Yep.
I think, I'm looking forward to all the workshops and talks, but I think I'm looking more forward to the individual talks with other homesteaders and people of like mind.
Yeah, the one-on-ones.
Yeah, the one-on-one stuff.
Yeah.
Because that's where you really get into nice conversations when people can give you one-on-one advice and ideas and stuff.
Yeah.
I can't believe we're here. We made it!
We made it!
We made it!
She survived!
5 hours late to the airport. 5 hours late to the airport.
Oh.
But American Airlines helped us out. So
So much.
we still hopefully have a return flight